While the US dollar stablecoins are coming down, Bitcoin's price slightly come up like we have discussed in yesterday's video, right? We have been talking about that most likely we will get at least a bounce from these levels short-term time frame. But guys, this video is going to be ultra short, major to the point, most important video with the most important signal, and that is going to be this signal on the US dollar stablecoin chart. Right, we have massive bullish divergences right here coming into the cycle low. I don't think it's right to open long positions right here, in my opinion. It's just not the perfect storm, the perfect situation. I'll personally will be waiting till that new cycle low, and this is the signal that I'm going to watch. So these bullish divergences coming into support, I'm going to assume that this one continue to go up unless we break the uptrend in the relative strength index. Right? So, to make it very clear, as long as we are holding the uptrend in the relative strength index, I expect this chart to go up, which means eventually Bitcoin to come down. But invalidation, very important. Most people go wrong here. They just go with one idea. They don't have any invalidation, right? How many people we have seen screaming on Twitter like Bitcoin is going to 12K, but nobody says exactly why they think that, and they don't have a clear invalidation, like if this then that happens, this is invalidated. So this invalidation would be if we just break down of this support. I think we can see another massive rally in Bitcoin, maybe even going to 28,000 US dollars. So that would be very bullish. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for whether we are going to lose that to the downside or whether we still get that bounce in the price. As long as we're holding this, I'm expecting that bounce to have a higher probability because it also aligns with time and the cycle low coming. But if we do break down, we can get a confirmation which invalidates the first idea, which means that Bitcoin could go on a massive rally up to 28,000 US dollars. Guys, short update, but very important today. If you like it, smash up that like button. If you are new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, because we are going to outperform most people during this bull market. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. If you want to have some extra services, if you want to get some extra information, you can join WhaleAlerts. You can do so by joining bybit, the best exchange to trade Bitcoin. Do that with the affiliate link down below to get to be able to join WhaleAlerts, but also to get a deposit bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars only for experienced traders. Okay. If you cannot trade profitable on the spot, don't even think about trading with leverage, because you also leverage your emotions. And if spot trading already is quite difficult, then don't start with leverage. But if you are already profitable on spot, you got some confidence, you can definitely step up your game and use some low leverage. Guys, thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great day. Hope to see every single one of you in the next video.